Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to change its devices groups. So if you have like this all Google Homes Google services, you can pair all of this your Google Homes into groups. And to change its groups, you have to firstly access your device, then go to its settings, and then go to the groups. And here you can select in which groups it will be, in which it won't, and that's how it works. You can also create new groups for device here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.